hard. It's like doing the funky chicken. That's what it is. Funky chicken. All right, no escaping. Police, police, he's trying to escape. All right, okay, men, get in the back row. Get in the back row. Get the same for left. So, guys, take a knee, like in football. Take a knee. Okay, ladies, arms out. Bend your knees. Stomach in, shoulders back, chin up, smile. All right. Okay, everyone turn around. Show everyone your best side. Turn around. That's where all the action is. In your old body, your buttocks, your booty. Okay. You might want to spread your legs up just a little bit. You might like tip over. Okay, ladies, you know the beat that goes like this? For this part, bump your hips to the right. Okay? Easy up. Okay, here we go. Bump your hips, move your hips, and your whole body. Okay, here we go. Okay, to the left. Right. Left. Right, left, right, Hey! Good job, ladies. I can see everybody out there smiling. Okay, good job. You're doing good. Oh, there's a reach camera out there. Okay, flip your hips to the front. To the back. Front, back. Okay, that's enough of that move. Okay, let's get them all together. And we're going to go right, front, left, back. We're going to start off slow, go faster and faster. And as they go for it, be the funky chicken or the robot or the whatever dance to get together. Here we go. Right. Front, left, back, 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 front. Good job, ladies. We'll see you on YouTube tonight. Okay, guys, front and center.
Oh, Lordy.
Uncle Vito, step back, please. Okay, guys. Oh, all right, hands on your head. For that time you got arrested, hands on your head. Both hands, both hands. Bend your knees. Stomach in. Elbows back. Chin up. Okay, just like the girls. Bump your hips to the right. Dun, 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 dun. Right, right. Okay? Here we go. Hey, you guys, you hear that? Little giggle, little giggle. Okay, to the left. Side, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Oh, good job, guys. Hey, guys, all the girls are smiling. Good job. Okay, bump your hips to the front. To the back. Front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back. Oh! He knows it, but these two are still young. Okay, let's mix them all together. We're gonna go right, front, left, back. We go slow and faster and faster. When I say go for it, just drop your arms and just do whatever you want. Okay, here we go. Right, front, left, back, right.